Alright, so you guys got to see a little bit of the river. I was trying to fly it over some parts of the river and it kept on losing like connection and stuff, so I was like, yo, screw it. But yeah, Mokko the outer, so yeah, I did go on the street to get some baked beans for Mokko. So Mokko is whipping up some baked beans.
Yeah, man.
And some brown dumplings. I say brown flour.
Natural brown flour, man.
Natural brown flour.
Boy, I'm plantain.
Sweet plantain or green plantain?
Green plantain, man.
Green plantain.
That's what you eat that night.
Okay. So that's gonna be dinner tonight. Yeah. Just there in the hill same way. Just like going all a vibe and just relax. Yeah, man. So I see I drop in some all night now. Simply natural.
Yes, sir.
Martin need to get a promotional deal for them. Simply natural all night, alright. You don't really cook it with no pepper, Mokko.
I don't eat pepper, you know. That's why I don't eat pepper.
Oh, I wonder why, because I eat it. Okay, I myself, I don't taste some pepper night.
I have pepper over there too.
Okay.
Just bandit pepper them. But I put them in a mix when I eat. If people want to cut them up and put them in something,
okay.
they're fine.
I'm not gonna lie to you. Right now I feel kind of sad because my last night, my last supper. Yeah man, last supper and the church music are playing in the background and that always set some sad mood, you know. Yeah man, so that's there. I wait for the little vehicle. Yeah man. So you come and see the pot around and the man say, want some of that? I mash up a big foot. So I say, I prepare for the sorrel tea. Yes, sir. So, I realize the sorrel grow all year round now, right? In more, well, one time that never normally be the case. You so bad forget.
Oh. Good drink, you know. Good drink, child, man. And maybe them are going to eat him. I stop him up with jugs.
Them are going to do something with that baby, them probably made something there. I call it again.
Sacrifice.
Sacrifice or human trafficking?
What do you mean human?
Human trafficking, you have some people that are foreign who can't have baby. So then get somebody to get one baby for them and take it for themselves.
Take it for themselves.
Yes. So you have a baby in there?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah, pepper.
Yeah. And you make sure saying bring the pepper for me.
Yes, sir.
Mokko, can you bring the soda for me today too?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah, so I'm about to eat some food right now. Again, when I serve food, I get one whole heap of food. So you can't complain and say your belly not full. You can get a lot of food. But for those who might be wondering, you know, what we're talking about in the conversation was there was some suspect to some child stealing ring, you know, where they kidnapped someone's 5-week-old baby. So yeah, but that's all a reason about right on the top a little bit. But anyway, let's get into the food and I'll tell you what I think about this dinner tonight, alright? Alright, so here's the funny thing. Like, when people think about eating food without salt, it sounds really strange, and even for me it sounds really strange as well. But as far as I'm concerned, based on my experience here eating the meals here, like, it doesn't feel as if like salt is missing. I don't know if it's because it's cooked very well with a lot of herbs and different other ingredients like that, but the food here is pretty good. Yeah, today's dish is more of a basic dish because it's baked beans, but it tastes good. What I do like about this dish today is the use of cucumbers. If you can hear my mouth, I don't know if you can, but it adds a nice little texture element to it. So the baked beans are soft, but when you come upon the cucumbers, you get this little nice little snap when you eat. It's really good. Then there's brown flour to use to make the dumplings. I like it. It's pretty good. I don't normally eat my dumpling with cornmeal. I don't like cornmeal dumpling, but the brown flour dumpling, I'll eat that, so it's not so bad. And yeah, like I said, basic dish today: dumplings, plantains, baked beans, and that's pretty much the vibe. All right. Oh no. Well, at least one somebody still get injured, alone get left behind, but you know the thing set already. Alright, so I couldn't quite finish everything in my plate tonight because my stomach is super full. You guys know dumplings are very filling. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. Thanks for coming along with another journey here with Ras Mokko off Ras Kitchen. Yeah, it's my last night here, so I'm gonna chill, lay back a little bit. Last night, me and Mokko them were drinking some. I was drinking some Spitfire, and Mokko was drinking some Red Stripe. Yo, he fell out, like he was so fast asleep. Unfortunately, I never had my camera to catch that moment. But tomorrow, I don't know what's gonna be happening, but you guys will definitely see that when it happens tomorrow. Anyway, remember 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.